Okay, so here is the setup for problem 7.17, 717. Says you have two mutations, vestigial and cinnabar mutation, located at these two different points on, was it chromosome 2? So they're 10 centimorgans apart from each other. You have a female that is vestigial, which is recessive wild type, mating with a male that is wild type cinnabar, both being homozygous. When those two cross, you get an F1 individual that is wild type, but heterozygous in each of those genes. Okay, so this F1 individual, when she makes gametes, if no crossing over occurs at that chromosome, then you're going to get these two. Each of these would represent a different kind of gamete. The NCO means no crossing over. If you do have a crossing over occur between these two genes, then your gametes will either look like this, vestigial cinnabar, or this one, wild type, wild type. Okay, since they're 10 centimorgans apart, that means if you think back to the formula, you do the number of recombinant gametes, right? Number of crossing over events over the total number, and that gives you 10 recombinants out of 100. So that means that 10% of the time, right, or 5 of the 10 would look like this recombinant, 5 of the 10 would look like this recombinant, and 45 would look like this gamete, the vestigial wild type, and 45 of the 100 or 45% would be wild type cinnabar. Okay, so it's just a way of getting you to understand the interpretation. You're sort of working backwards. It's giving you the distance, and now you're going backwards. Okay, so when this F1 produces the gametes, it's crossing now with a vestigial cinnabar, so homozygous, homozygous, right? And so you just go and you distribute these gametes through the 4 different phenotypic classes. So here you have a vestigial wild type 45% of the time, because 45% of the gametes are this vestigial wild type here. 45% are wild type cinnabar, right? Because you're crossing with a homozygous recessive at each of those, you're basically, the what's present in the F1 gamete gets expressed. So you got wild type cinnabar here, right? 45% of the time. Vestigial cinnabar 5% of the time, and then wild type 5% of the time. Here are those two gametes. And that's it.